Hello everyone, this is Orhan. In this video I'm going to continue basic worksheet modeling. In this example we have only one prices which we are going to multiply it by every year. Okay, so let's start by calculating the total production for every year. So in this panel we see the production. Here we see only one price which was supposed to multiply by quantities, and then in this panel we are going to calculate the income corresponding the productions. Okay, let's start by calculating total production for every year. So for the first year you need to write sum, and then you need to highlight productions in 2014. So it's going to be sum B5 semicolon D5 and then hit enter. It will give you the production for that year. As you can see, these are the productions for every year, and then 2014 and 2015 production is exactly the same. In my previous video I used the same exact numbers, and then from this example it might mislead you, or it might seem that the production in 2015 is higher than 2014 because the income is higher, but this stems from the increasing prices. So the sugar price increased, orange price increased, and apple price increased. So that's why the production of the country seems as if it has increased, but that's not true. So in this example we will be using only one prices, so we are going to multiply these prices by the corresponding quantities. So let's start by 2014 production. So we need to multiply apple production by apple prices, okay, and then hit enter. Okay, so this is $90 in income in 2014 from apple production. A naive person might drag and drop here, which might give wrong answers, just because if you drag and drop, this B5 times B2 changes to B6 times B3, B7 times B4, etc. So the B2 changes, B2, which is the price here. So the price must not change. In order to fix that, you need to put a $sign in front of 2, which will enable you to drag and drop easily. So if you drag and drop, this B2 does not change. For every single cell we will have B2 here, and if you drag it to the right, this B changes just because it does not have a $sign in front, but 2 does not change. Okay, so this is going to be as you can see here, this is going to be C2, and then it's going to be C2 for every single cell in this column. So it's C2, C2 for every single cell in this column. For the next column, which is sugar production, it's going to be D2. So 2 is fixed, which we call locked, and but B is not fixed. It changes to C and D. So this is going to be the production of that country using fixed prices. So the total real income for this year is again sum. You need to select those cells, hit enter, and then drag and drop. It gives you total real income for that country. This is called total real income. It's the basis of a real GDP production calculation. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next videos.